Welcome to the Professional Learning and You Catalog and Registration System. You may freely browse our available resources. However, to register for any event in our system, you must log in. If this is your first time using the Professional Learning and You catalog, you'll need to create a free account. To do so, click on the Create Account button at the top right corner of the screen. Complete all of the required fields and then click the Save Changes and Create Account button. Once logged in, browse the catalog for your desired event. Use the search field to enter a keyword or title of the event. You may also narrow your search by choosing a specific category to display. To register or see additional details about a specific event, click the button at the bottom of the event card. This will take you to the Event Details page. Here you will find all available information pertaining to this event, including cost, location, credit info, social media sharing links, details, and information about the facilitator or presenter associated with the event. When you're ready to register, click the Register Now button. On the next screen, you may click Register or click the button below to add additional individuals to your registration. This allows one person to register on behalf of multiple people in one step. This should be done only if you are able to pay for all participants with a single payment. Complete all the required fields and click on Submit Registration. On the next screen, it is important to remember to click on the Checkout Now button. Failure to do this will result in a canceled transaction. You may also add additional registrants or register for additional events for yourself at this time. These will be added to your cart and will be processed together at the checkout. After clicking Checkout Now, you will be prompted for payment information or receive a notice that your registration is complete if there's no cost associated with the event. You will receive an email confirmation following the completion of your registration, as well as a statement showing your paid status. That's all there is to it. If you have any difficulties registering for an event, please contact our help desk at support@wiu7.org, and someone will be in contact with you to assist. Thank you for visiting us. We look forward to seeing you in P.L.A.Y or at a future event.